Now what I'd like you to do is go and create your own JPEG image or pull something down from the web and replace this hand. And how do we do that again? We open up link 1 and we can go back to the sketches. Right under sketches you'll see this is sketch 6. So if I touch on sketch 6 and hit delete, that deletes the hand. And then to bring in a new image, I'll go back to sketching, insert image, browse, and again make sure this is on JPEG. And I'm going to go back and identify this daisy. Double click on daisy and accept. I'll pick this face, lock to the face, and at the center I'll add the daisy. That scale is obviously way too big, so we'll just pull that in. And we could also move this up. Just grab on that outside line and pull that up a little. Right there. And again, if we want to get rid of the border, hit modify, border, show border. Turn that off, hit OK, close and return, and run.